and today we're going to build this Gundam Wing mobile suit, and it is master grade, and the brand who made it is called Bandai.
Yeah, and I think we're not going to build it just today. This has many plastic parts inside, and this is actually Anya's first plastic model. I used to build plastic models before, but never from the Gundam series. So today I stopped by the store, and the gentleman there, Liam, gave me excellent advice about which level model to choose, so that it would be fun to build for both of us. So this apparently master grade series, it's a 1:100 scale.
Yes.
Of course there is really no scale to base it on, because all the mobile suits are not really real, but there are many details. It's supposed to be all without glue.
Yes.
Normally plastic models that I used to build, they're glued together. This one snaps together. Yeah.
Like snaps. And it's kind of like Lego, like little pieces, and you just stick them on.
Yeah, we're going to try to show how that works. For this master grade series, there is an inner frame that's articulated, so this can be posed later, and the pieces of armor clamp kind of on top of this. So we'll see how it works. Today we're going to unpack and see what the first steps are. Later on we're going to paint it. Probably we'll airbrush using acrylics. We'll talk about that later as well. So very exciting. So we just finished building this body unit of this mobile suit. That's where the head is going to be.
Yes.
It opens up and there is a pilot seat in there.
It's tiny. It's about, the pilot is sitting, and it's about this big.
Yeah. Interesting thing is that the pieces of the frame are molded from different color plastic. And so we are going to paint it eventually to look it more realistic. But the challenge for me is that we don't really know which order to paint the parts in. So we watched some videos on YouTube, and the consensus seems to be to build the model first, decide what pose it's going to be on, and then partly disassemble it, paint the pieces of armor or maybe different body parts separately, and then reassemble it back. The novel part for me is that everything is just held together by friction, and there is no glue. Usually the models that I used to build before, they're all glued, and this is very neat that it's all can be broken apart and then put back together. So it's I think it's a very neat feature, but kind of a little bit of a challenge also. So that's the stage one. Stay tuned for the next ones.
Yes. Bye.